Using the carousel maker for Divi, you can easily make a full width image carousel like this one in your Divi website. And the carousel maker for Divi plugin is completely free and available in the WordPress plugin repository. In the next few minutes, I will show and discuss how we can make a perfect full width image carousel, some easy hacks to create a responsive proof full width Divi section set height for the full width carousel. At first, you must make sure that you have installed and activated the Carousel Maker for Divi plugin. Now, we are come to our desired Divi page and activated the Visual Builder. Now, we are adding a single column row. Then, we are adding our image carousel module. And at this time, we will just add one image and title this as M1, save it. Let's start with the section. I should mention one thing, that Divi section is already in full width, but the row is not full width. And there are some space in here, it is padding. First, we will make the top and the bottom padding to 0. Click the section setting icon, go to design, click spacing, and on the padding top make it 0 and the padding bottom make it 0. Then hit the save button. Now come to the row settings and click the design and click the first click the sizing. On here, as we can see here, there's an option width. We must make it 100%, and also the max width 100%. We are setting our max width to 100% because we want our section responsive proof. We don't know if I set 1500 pixel on the large screen, it could be some gap between left and right. So to make the future proof responsiveness, make it 100%. Row alignment middle, and also like the spacing here, and make the padding top 0, padding bottom 0, and hit the save button. Now go to the module settings and let's start with one item, and we will not repeat our process. We will do all our settings and options on here. Just on the next procedure, we just change the images. Click here, go to design, click image, and make it first start with 600. Oh, another thing we have to do, go to the main carousel settings and slide to show. For the desktop, make it 1. For the mobile, make it 1. For the phone, for the tab, you should make 1. For the phone, you should make 1. And for the desktop, you should make 1. Go to the item settings, carousel item settings, click design, image, 600 pixel. If you want to increase more, as like me, that I prefer 800 pixel in this case. And image over animation, we are skipping now. Overlay, yes, we will add overlay. Black, and make the opacity as your desire. Hit the save button, and we are going to add 4 mountains or 5. So I'm clicking here 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the image, change the title. Hit the save button, back, and repeat this process for the next items. to the main carousel settings. Click carousel settings. First, start with animation speed. Make it 1 second, that's mean 1000 ms. And make the autoplay speed 4000 ms. That will give you a eye-comforting sliding experience. And make the slider spacing 0. You can add fade effect. Then go to the navigation and pagination. You can keep it none, or you can add pagination like here. I would like to keep it none. Let's jump into the advanced. As you can see here, we have sliding direction. Item scroll one time, hit the save button, and exit the visual builder. As you can see here, that how simply and how easily we have made a full width image carousel using a free plugin. One thing I should alert you that the current version of Carousel Maker for Divi is not compatible with Divi 5. However, I take full responsibility and can assure you that a Divi 5 compatible version will be released in line with the official production or a stable release of Divi 5.